what do you think are the differences in running an AI company versus running a just like traditional SaaS or just any traditional type of tech company? We could sit here and talk for hours about where the technology might be in 5 years and 10 years. The timelines there are unknown, the impacts are unknown. The reality though, today, you guys are delivering value for crazy amount of customers. There's a ton of use cases where the technology is good enough today and it's getting better. That's unlocking more use cases. What do you think are the differences between running an AI company, AI first, like AI native company, and then traditional SaaS company?
I think it presents a lot of like interesting strategic questions that I feel like we're running an AI company, right, as opposed to running a SaaS company. Like, where in the stack do you play, right? Are you building true foundational models? Do you take true foundational models that's open source and make them your own through lots of intensive, heavy R&D? Do you just use APIs, or like wherever on that stack you kind of sit? I think you have to be intentional about that, but also accept that it can change over time, right? So when we started the company, I mean, there were nothing, right? There was like literally nothing to go from. We had to build everything ourselves, from like the facial landmark detections, for example, which was like a big important part of like the first iteration of the technology. Now in a world where like there's so much stuff that's happening online, we're shifting to all these like generalizable models. A lot more people are just thinking about AI video, experimenting with AI video. And so I think a lot of like the hard questions that you face is this thing of like, when do you chase the shiny new thing, right? Where like, okay, clearly this is going to be the future of the space, but you just like jump ship to this now. When do you kind of hold your guns? And I think we've definitely made mistakes in both ways, but sometimes we've been too eager and sometimes we've been too conservative. And because there's so much uncertainty with these things, right? I think that's like a bit different in SaaS, where I think if you're building a fintech company, like if you can imagine it, you can probably build it. And that's not to talk that down, but for something like this, right? It's like, I want to make videos of two avatars sitting in a chair like we are right now and be able to fist bump, right? Like, yes, that's going to be possible someday, but there's a lot of fog of war in terms of like, how exactly do we get there?
Right.
Whereas if it's like a fintech thing where like, we want to support crypto, there's another set of objectives, but you can lay them out a lot easier, which means you can plan for it better and probably also means you can execute on it faster.
Right.